Hi, this is John with Ability Air. I just wanted to give my customers a tool to use so that you don't have to call me out for small things. So what I want to go over today is things that you can do before you call me. The most common thing that goes wrong here in Florida is a drain line. There's a lot of different kinds of drain switches. This one has a reset on it. You'll come up to your thermostat, it'll be blank. If you take off the face, it should have no batteries in it if your HVAC guy wired it correctly. Otherwise, you might not have enough wires and you have to use batteries. This one has no batteries in it, so the power is dead to this thermostat. And what I've done is simulated a clogged drain line. So you'll take out the drain switch and there'll be water in here. The first thing you want to do is come outside. And find your drain line. You'll need to take a shop vac and put your shop vac over the end of the drain line, using your hand to make up the difference in space. You may have to do that for 30 seconds to a minute. Make sure that you get whatever you possibly can out of the drain line. And after you've sucked slime and moisture out, you'll take the cap off the condensation line. We always put caps so that you can access it. It'll either come off like that or like that. And pour 1 cup of bleach, not vinegar. Pour 1 cup of bleach down the line, wait 30 minutes, and then follow it up with about 1 quart of hot water. That should flush anything out the line so that your unit will now drain. If that doesn't work and you don't have any evidence of water in the drain line here or in a pan below the unit which has a drain switch, go to your breaker panel. Every house is different. I've set this one up to where the breakers are right here. You'll have one for the condenser, AC condenser. It might say compressor, it might say different things, but you'll have one for the air conditioning condenser, and then you're gonna have one for the air handler. Sometimes they're labeled heat or AH for air handler. Make sure they're on. If they're tripped, make sure to turn them off first and then on. And make sure your filters are clean. Some filters are in the ceiling. I've set this one up to where it's underneath the unit. Take it out, make sure it's clean. If it's not clean, change it. A dirty filter can cause the system not to run. But if nothing is turning on, it's probably gonna be a drain line. So check that first. Anyway, I hope that helps. Have a great day.